In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Zoom. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the Zoom installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Zoom download page. And here I will select the Zoom desktop client for meeting 64-bit MSI installer. And that should start the download for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on it. Then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my Zoom installer and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools. Then I will select add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install and on this edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. And basically it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, I need to provide few values. For example, here I need to provide my installation file name, and for that I will go back to my downloads folder, right click on the installation file, then I will select rename, then I will select full name, right click again and copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Zoom. Then for the file type, I will enter MSI. And also I need to provide silent switches for Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. Once again, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have the silent switches that I will be using. I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to the package and insert the values here. And that's it for modifying this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I'll click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Zoom. Then for the package version, I think I need to enter 5.17 to 8.375. At least I think that this is the correct version number for this installation file. Anyways, for the authors, let's leave it at list automation. And for the package description, I will enter Zoom package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to enter. Now let's save the information by clicking on the save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to file, save as, and I will save it in my downloads folder. And I will also use my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click on save. And now let's try to install the package. And for that, I will open my terminal application. I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to execute the software installation. And here I will type choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that you can see here. So it's Zoom. And because I will be using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder, and I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the installation was successful. If I go to my start menu, I can see Zoom at my recently added program list. I will click on it and it gives me the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.